Are expensive caulk preservation systems worth it compared to cheaper bulk caps for everyday use? For projects where you use caulk regularly, balance cost per use, ease of storage, and time saved when choosing between premium airtight tubes and bulk caulk caps. Bulk caps are simple. Pick a size that matches your common cartridges, clean the nozzle tip, push on a snug fitting cap, and store cartridges upright in a cool, dry place to extend life. They typically cost far less per unit, so they are economical for infrequent or moderate use. Airtight tube systems replace cartridges into a reusable chamber that seals the cartridge and can be very convenient for heavy users who swap materials quickly because they reduce waste and keep bead consistency, but they require an upfront investment and occasional replacement seals. For best practice, label partially used cartridges with the date and material type, keep incompatible chemistries separate, and purge a small bead after reusing to confirm flow and color. If you need to store a cartridge for weeks, wrap the nozzle in plastic film before applying a cap to add another barrier against skinning. For portability on job sites, carry a small kit with several sizes of bulk caps, a replacement seal for airtight systems, and a utility knife to cut back hardened tips safely. Common mistakes include assuming one system fits every cartridge, which leads to leaks and ruined material, so measure nozzle diameters and choose caps that match or use adapters to ensure a snug fit. Many users fail to remove cured tip material before sealing, which prevents a proper seat and causes pressure buildup. Solve that by cutting the nozzle back to a clean surface and testing fit before storage. A third issue is buying an expensive airtight system, expecting it to eliminate all waste when in fact it only delays skinning. To minimize loss, rotate stock by use date and use smaller cartridges for sporadic work instead of relying only on preservation gear. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by connecting people with professionals who work in their area and providing a place to compare common approaches to materials and tools. We also help contractors find work and exchange practical tips through our active discussion community, where users share real-world experiences with products like bulk caps and airtight tubes.